Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule a post in a carousel on LinkedIn. First, go to your browser and open the LinkedIn website. Log into your account by adding your credentials. You can see the carousel post on the homepage. LinkedIn does not have a direct option to post carousel. To make the carousel post, go to canva.com. Make sure to log into your account first. You can create a new design or choose any template. Edit your text in the design and click on the share button. Go to download options and select your file type. For demonstration, I select PDF standard. Select the download button to download it to your device. Follow the given path for your file and click on save. After downloading, go back to the LinkedIn website and select start a post. You will see different options at the bottom of this box. Select the Add a document icon to share your document. Add a description title to your document and click on Done. After that, click on the clock icon shown here. Here, you can set the date and time to schedule your post. You can select the date and time according to your choice. Write about your post and schedule and choose the schedule button. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.